know what it's like to rock crawl in a rainforest? Well, this is what it's like. Just trying to get that roof bar past that tree. There he goes. That is impressive as hell. Woo! Light in the front there. Woo! Bindy. See that tire binder right there? Oh! Wow, camera never does justice. That's real steep. He's way up above my head right now. Oh! Standing out in the dark today. It's Thursday. And we hopped a ferry at 7 o'clock this morning, or over on another island to do a bit of wheeling. It's a little bit different than usual. It's not Toyotas and Samurais. Well, I guess that's it. This thing started life as a tracker, but it's now a 1-ton 4-wheel steering beast. I'll tell you about some of the buggies as we get into the day. We should have a bunch of 4-wheel steering cars. Should be an epic day of some slippery island spec wheeling. This thing started life as a tracker. Essentially a Suzuki Samurai. Apparently that's a 2.3 liter Zook motor. Can't remember what he said for trans. We've got an Atlas. I believe that's 14 bolt front and rear. 4 links ORIs for suspension. Those are another set of 43-inch SX sticky tires. Which sticky tires means it's a soft rubber compound, so really tracking. It's like an angry grasshopper. But our friends have arrived. So we've got Luke's buggy, that's Toyota based buggy, FJ axles. I think it's a 22RE. He's a real throttle jockey. We got Trev's buggy, started life as a Suzuki Samurai. We got Sam in the 4Runner. And we've got Sean in his Jesse Haynes Goat Built that he's built, spent a huge amount of money on, and it's been sitting around for like a year. This is his second trip out. Also, apparently Sean had 2 flat tires on his trailer this morning, so it's been a bit of a show.
At 0 RPM, it doesn't rattle.
Well, I couldn't say anything in Spencer's buggy because it's too loud. All the desert guys who are watching King of the Hammers this week, well, they're talking about Waterfall wheeling. This right here is Waterfall wheeling. So Sam's got a scabby 4Runner with Toyota FJ axles in it, and leaf springs. These are BFG Crawlers, some 37s, sticky tires. Well, this whole floppy jalopy is going to make her happen here. This is home court advantage for Sam though. This is his personal trail here. You can tell already, I'm going to be fearing for my life today. I'm glad I wore my boots. Oh, this is ridiculous.
It's usually really easy.
There he goes. That is impressive as hell. Right now he's 20 feet above me. That's wild. For a Toyota 4Runner. Big climb. Mullet powered. Next up we got Luke. This is a Toyota base buggy. I think it's 22RE. FJ axles as well. But this thing is light, torquey, 4-link suspension, air shocks. He's rocking the moccasin tires. This tire on the back here is so... Which is good, because that means he's not going to throw rocks in my face. Well, that was a really big rock that just flew past our heads. Wow. I don't know if the camera caught that, but that was a face-sized rock that went flying by. Hey, Luke! Luke! Oh, you okay? You lost an axle in the driver's rear, which is why you weren't going. You guys okay?
Yeah, good.
You want to hand me anything?
Driver's rear axle?
Yeah, that was the thing. Where she goes. His axle shaft broke, and then he wasn't able to back up because he had no traction in the rear drivers. That was a hard roll. Seeing that right there is why I didn't bring my fat car on the ferry over here. First of all, it would have cost me $200 to just find out that I can't drive up this. Suzuki started life. He's got a turbo, math injection, Ford 9-inch rear, I think a cruiser front, 37-inch Treps. This is low budget and more than 20 years. And as you can see, Trev's got a lot of seat time in that thing. Another Suzuki-based buggy, but we just finished building this. 4-wheel steering, 40-inch Treps. Toyota axles. Oh no, these are 110 axles. This is also home court advantage for Rohan. So he's just gonna walk like this like nothing. There you go. Insane. Look at that. Well, we got a real test today. We got some Treps. We get some 43-inch SXs, we got some crawlers. So we got all the good sticky tires out here. These are all sticky, soft tire compound, rubber compound. You can see how much traction we got. I would be slip sliding everywhere trying to put my fat girl up there. Cars are running good so far. Lots of traction. And they're running in a flowing water like this. Sam's making milkshakes this morning. Cafe au lattes.
So what we like to use here is the finest water. It's spring water or it's
artisanal spring water. Is it from right there?
No, it's just actually out of my buddy's tap. So
it's the same water.
Watch the paint, bud.
This is a really nice looking trail you have here, sir.
I've been there before.
I know I have. It looks different though. So if you guys watch it, go back on my channel. I think it's called Island Wheeling. And me and Craig were here in 2019 driving up this. None of that tree was there. Camera never does justice. That's real steep. And he's way up above my head right now. Now, Rohan, hey, let's go see how the other island boy Sam's doing in his faux runner. steam rope leaf spring. Has to take a run out there. There we go. You got her. Woo, bindy. Look at that tire binder right there. Atta-bye. Oh, burr for something in the front just went bang.
Did it stop spinning?
Yes, sir.
That's a burp.
That is a burp. Well, or a dirty 30 or whatever's going on in the front there. That's too bad. Another car down. 6 cars started the day. We've lost 2 already. These new RCVs sure make a lot of popping and clacking sounds. Brand new as of last night, RCVs. Woo! Light in the front there. Got blew a burp. This is a lot more rig. Straighten up your rear. There you go.
Waterfall wheeling.
This is some West Coast rock crawling at its best there. You want to know what it's like to rock crawl in a rainforest? Well, this is what it's like. So now this Suzuki 37s is going to try to do what those rigs just struggled up with 5-inch bigger tires. This tree coming down must have been sketchy. Yes, just forcing through there. Oh no! Oh, that's no good. Of course, there's that stupid nugger right there.
Car brake. You might have to reverse and we'll stack up your rocks.
I like how Rohan is wearing waterfall appropriate work shoes. He's got his Keds on. These guys stack some rocks, which is not normally something we do. But Joe's gonna drive up and over there without being too windy in the middle of this river. You can see the problem there. There's a branch. His front tire's on, but his back tire's got to drive up and over. Oh, bindy! Wow, you did it! Now you got to do more. Not over yet.